1. Regular exercise. Doing exercises that strengthen the jaw and neck muscles can help define your jawline. Exercises like chin lifts, chin presses, and lip exercises target your jaw and neck muscles. Mewing. Mewing is often referred to as a method that aims to shape the chin and facial structure. This technique focuses on strengthening the jaw muscles and improving facial structure with correct tongue position. The basic principle of mewing is to strengthen the facial muscles and bone structure under th. It is thought that mewing positively affects the facial structure, especially in young people and individuals in the developmental process. However, mewing alone is not a magical method that can change facial structure. Genetic factors, age, and various other factors are also effective in determining. 2. Fitness. By reducing your body fat rate through fitness, you will help your jawline become more prominent. Losing weight with a balanced diet and regular exercise will help reduce the fat tissue on your face. Before starting your fitness journey, determine what you want to achieve. You may have goals such as losing weight, gaining muscle, increasing endurance. Once your goals are clear, you can create an appropriate training program.